this is how to draw patterns in the cocowyo book, and the very first pattern is this doodle pattern, how to do a bow and hearts doodle pattern. So today I'll be using, this is a twin marker alcohol marker, it's colour number 28, fruit pink, and also some Stedler dual tipped felt tip pens. I'll be using the fine end of the pen in a peachy colour and a pink colour. So the first step says to colour the base, then let it dry. So we've got this little cat to colour, and we'll be doing the pattern on his little anorak. Now it's important to let it dry, the base, like it said, which I know is really boring waiting for something to dry, but just helps the next layer of ink to not spread as far. And also, if you can't wait for it to dry, if you have a little handheld battery fan, you can use that. It might speed things up a little bit, and you'll know when it's fully dry because they usually dry a little bit lighter than the colour that they are when they first go on, and also it won't feel as cold. You'll be able to tell that it's dry when it feels the same temperature as the rest of the page, because when it's wet it does feel a little bit colder. So now that that's dry, I also forgot to remind everybody to put a sheet of paper underneath. Don't forget to do that. I've put actually quite a few sheets. It's only gone through one, so you might get away with just one sheet of paper, but I have put quite a few under. Forgot to remind everyone to do that before you start so it doesn't ruin the next page. So now I'm going to take the peachy colour, not the darker pink, and we need to draw random bows like this. We've got to leave a little gap to put these hearts in later. So I think the easiest way of drawing these bows would be to turn the book on its side and draw, if you see, they're like a figure of 8. I think that might be easier than trying to draw two halves of each bow. So let's start with like an elongated figure of 8 and then leave a gap. Some bows might be half bows because that's how it ends up on fabric patterns. So we just draw these randomly. And then turn it back round, and we need to draw the little tails on the bows, so just some wiggly lines. You might also get some little wiggly lines from the pattern that goes off the fabric. And then in between all the gaps we need to add hearts. It says in a darker colour, but I think really it's the same colour as the bows. So I'm going to do it in the same colour because I think the dots are actually a darker colour. So in the same colour I'm going to draw some little hearts in the gaps and fill them in. is they kind of do look a little bit darker because they're filled in and the bows are just a single line. That kind of makes them look a little bit darker anyway, even though they're the same colour. And again, you might end up with some that are just a little half a heart, or there we'll put the top bit of the heart. And then we have to add some random dots. So in all the other little gaps, just put a little dot. I'm using the darker pink for this one, and also put a little dot in the middle of all the bows. I'll do the bows first so I don't forget. And then just fill in all those little spacey gaps with little dots. I think that is the bow pattern done. So now all I have to do is colour in the rest of the cat.